Ever since I had my restaurant years ago, I've heard from so many folks that I make some of the best cream soups around. Not to toot my own horn, but I have to admit that I've never met anyone who hasn't scraped a bowl clean. So let me share a recipe that allows you to tweak it depending on your mood. We begin by sauteing some celery and onions in a bit of butter until everything is tender. To that, we add a good amount of chicken broth, along with some diced potatoes, and a splash of vinegar. After the potatoes are tender, we stir in some milk that we've mixed with a bit of flour and a few spices. Once this thickens, we add a good amount of shredded cheese. This is where we can get really creative. By adding buffalo wing cheddar, it'll taste like your favorite buffalo wings in the form of a soup. Add some bacon ranch cheddar, and your soup will be cowboy and cowgirl approved. Today, we're going all out by stirring in some smoked Gouda that's studded with bacon. As it melts, you get the creaminess of the cheese, along with the big bowl of flavors that you love. To get the recipe for our creamy potato and cheese soup, which is perfect for personalizing with whatever fancy flavored cheese you have on hand, simply visit our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a cheese and soup lover's way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.